Hello there and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the PowerVPN app for Google TV.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Now let's get into the video. I'm going to hop over to the dashboard and I'll show you how to do this in 2 steps. The first step is going to be to ensure the apps can install from unknown sources and unknown apps can also install. We'll do that in developer options in settings. The second step will be to use the APK Turn application to download and install the app. So I'm going to head over to quick settings or settings. I'm going to move to system and from system about. Now under about, I'm going to navigate down to find the build number and click on it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you should be a developer. So if you are a developer, you should see as confirmation developer options right here. That means you're successful. This is going to enable us install an app from an unknown source, sideload apps, install third-party applications, and all that other stuff. So I'm going to head over to the APK Time application. Just navigate your apps and open APK Time. If you do not have the APK Time app already installed, check the link in the description below for a tutorial that will show you how to install it. Open the app, and when you're in the app, you're going to be navigating down to a category called Free VPN. Click on Free VPN, and you'll find the PowerVPN app right here. So click on the download button to begin to download, and then the installation process will start. I've already downloaded the app, so you see it just staging and ready to install. Next, if you find a message saying install from online sources or install online apps, just go down that list and click on APK Time, toggling it on to enable it. Install an app from a unknown source. So click on install after that, and you have the app installed into your Google TV immediately. So immediately installation is done, you can access the app, you can use the VPN. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content like this.